फ्लो। और ये सबसे बड़ा टॉपिक है इसके अंदर, न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल। अभी मैटर साइकिल क्या है? वो तो उसका पार्ट तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, वही तो कैरी करता है। हम लोग मैटर हैं, हम लोग कैरी कर रहे हैं। सो आई सेड दैट ऑटोट्रॉफ्स एंड हेटरोट्रॉफ्स, इट इज क्लियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज फूड चेन। What is food chain? ये तो आप लोग जानते होंगे डेफिनेशन ना, फूड चेन। प्रोड्यूसर से कहाँ गया है? हाँ? So hierarchy of transfer of energy and nutrient from one trophic level to another trophic level. It is said as food chain, and one food chain, it is a grazing food chain, means there is a producer and then there is an other heterotrophs. But यहाँ पर क्या है? There is, I said that there is a dead animals and then there is a bacteria, fungi, and they are eaten by other, I said, birds and animals. So dead animals, I said that bacteria and fungi ने इसको ब्रेक किया, तो ये इसको स्मॉल माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, यहां से ये यहां, दिस इज कमिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, एंड दिस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इज इटन बाय अदर मैक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. So dead animals has been decomposed by bacteria and fungi, and then there is some microorganism eating them, and then macroorganism is eating them. That is known as a detritus food chain. And generally we know that ये हमारे लिए generally this is the one food chain. One food chain starts from this. इससे कोई इसका लेना देना नहीं है. One, it is a food chain starts after the day, after decaying, after you dead, then there is this food chain starts, and that is known as which one? Detritus food chain. So generally food chain क्या है? It is a transfer of energy and nutrient. It is a, write down food chain. Food chain is a transfer of energy and nutrient from one trophic level to another trophic level in a given hierarchy. Understood? And there are the two types of food chain. Understood? There are the two types of food chain, which are grazing food chain and detritus food chain. Understood? So what is the definition of food chain? It is a transfer of energy and nutrient from one trophic level to the another trophic level in a given hierarchy. But if it is in different hierarchy, then it will become food web. So write down. When transfer of energy and nutrient from one trophic level to another trophic level taking place through different hierarchy it is known as food web. Change the para. A food chain can have maximum six hierarchy, but on an average 4 to 5 trophic level. Clear? क्योंकि why? Because yes, at every stage what is there? Loss of what? Energy. Therefore it cannot sustain more than 4 or 5 hierarchy trophic level, because at every trophic level, as per the second law of thermodynamics, some energy loses in the bracket 90% around. Therefore, by reaching at the 4th or 5th hierarchy, is not sufficient to maintain life system or further growth. So here it is, I said that. यहाँ पे हमने क्या बताया? There is a grass, and then grass is eaten by who? Yes, tell me. Grass, and there is a crops. Crops लोग को कौन खाता है? Grasshoppers. ये लोग खाएंगे, and then it will go to the frogs. And it will go to the, I said, a snake, and it will go to the hawk. I said that possibly grass is eaten by what? Rabbits, and the rabbits can be eaten by what? Hawk. Rabbits can be eaten by, I said that, fox. So there can be, what I said, that different hierarchy. But if I said that, suppose I said that frog reduces, then the number of snake will get affected. Yes or no? Number of snake will get affected. The number of frogs reduces. So automatically, but this grasshopper will increase. जो उसको खाने वाला था वो खत्म हो गया. Yes, so this side is what is happening. Ecological explosion. एक फूड चेन में टूटने की वजह से one will start in growing in number. Yes or not? The particular organism, yes, started growing in large number. That is known as, I said that, ecological, due to disturbance in the food chain. Due to disturbance in Suppose I said that grasses are eaten by whom? Deers and all, so many, what is the herbivores. And then tiger, lions, ये सब का क्या हो गए? Reduced. इनको खाने वाला कोई नहीं है. Their number will keep on increasing. And when their number will keep on increasing, then what happens? Soil will become exposed. Soil will become what? Vegetation will decrease. And when the soil get exposed, there will be what is an environmental concern, soil erosion, and the great ecological concern. So, एक के नहीं होने से these started growing. So it is considered as a what? Ecological explosion. It is considered as a what? समझ में आ गया? और फूड चेन डिस्टर्ब होना या फूड वेव डिस्टर्ब होना, if it is any is disturbing, it is in creating ecological imbalance. It is creating what? Ecological imbalance. अभी मैं ecology का definition नहीं दिया हूँ, इसके बाद definition आएगा. Understood? Definition last में आएगा जब nutrient cycle will also get over. Understood? अभी तक आप लोगों को ecosystem and environment के definition जो major है that you have got. Understood it? So what is when I said that when the food chain get disturbed, that will lead to what? Yes, tell me. Yes. And next one that we are going to start with that what? Nutrient cycle or geochemical cycle. So we have a nitrogen cycle. यहाँ से सारे क्वेश्चन बनेंगे. each cycle can be in a question in your mains. Understood it? Another I said that carbon cycle. Then I said phosphorus cycle. Then I said sulfur cycle. It is atmospheric cycle. It is also atmospheric cycle. It is sedimentary cycle or terrestrial cycle. It is, I said that sulfur cycle, it is atmospheric. So, first we are going to see nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. You know that nitrogen is available in the atmosphere. it is fixed into the soil as ammonium plus iron by Azobacter, Cyanobacter, Rhizobium, blue-green algae, into the soil. Ammonium ion. Then it get oxidation, and it converts into nitrite by nitrosomonas, or better to say, or next, nitrococcus bacteria. Then it converts into nitrite, and it is by the Nitrobacter. So there are the, I said